Welcome on my YouTube channel, or on our YouTube channel, better to say. So, dear friends, let's go on with the deconstruction of this dual bass beast from 80s. If you would like to know more about these speakers, watch my previous video, because this video will be about only about the deconstruction. Here doesn't work this tweeter. So I will go on, and in this video I will dismount one, maybe two bass speakers, the shoulder tweeter, maybe also the mid-range, to watch what's inside, and as I told before, to check if this tweeter is really totally dead, or if there is any other mistake in the crossover wires and so. But at first, I would like to thank you everybody for watching our videos, for subscribing our YouTube channel, and if you like our videos and if you would like to support our channel, you can also join our channel. So back to these speakers. If I don't forget, I put here active link to my previous video, because it was recorded from the beginning. When they arrived here, I put them here on the table, and I give some info about these boxes. This is I have one question. If you know this type, or if you know the producer, please write me in comments. Because yes, these are Watson type with some numbers. 9 is something, I don't remember it. 9245. Technical data interesting, but Watson is no audio producer. This is something like private label of the well-known retail chain Metro Cash and Carry from 80s. They are pretty heavy, about 20 kilograms each, and so watch my previous video. I give their exact dimensions, weight, and other. So let's do it. Let's dismount this tweeter. I will have to make here some space here on the table. Heavy. Okay. Let's put them in this position, because if there will be the wires long enough, I can put the speakers here on the table. Another bit. Okay. This battery screwdriver I received as a present from my wife about 10 years, maybe 12 years ago. Tesla Czechoslovakia, 63 Newton meters. Yes, the batteries are weak, but it works without any problem. Okay, Westra. Westra is also no producer of speakers. This is also private label, and there are a lot of types of Czechoslovak Tesla speakers, bass speakers, which are sold under the label Westra. I have, if you can find them here on my YouTube channel, Angelic Audio, if you write and search Westra speakers, Westra Tesla, I have recorded also some comparisons. Tesla and Westra, these are the same. So Westra, but this is not Czechoslovak product. Maybe something from Tonsil. Please, if you know this type of speaker boxes, or if you know the producer, please write me in comments. Let's this one, for example, which one, this or this? Maybe better this, because I think that the crossover can be anywhere in the middle of the box. So, what do you think? What will be there? Tonsil or any other? It will not be so simple. Okay. Oh, no, no company, only some numbers. And, yes, this is not bad. This is a real glass wool, like something like in the telephone cans. It looks similar like in telephone cans. Watch my video here on my YouTube channel. If I don't forget, I put here active link with telephone cans. They are full of such a glass wool. Yes, it's not pleasant to work with it. Real glass. It's a little dangerous to breathe it. Yes, the crossover is here. I will take the camera in hand and I will make detailed footage. I put here also the flashlight that you can see it better. And maybe I will have to dismount also this speaker, that we will see the numbers or the type. So better to do it immediately. Okay, so the same, Westra, okay. So, let's make a detailed footage.
Swagger down the street with your red lips and funky beat. You better hold your head up to the sky. I'm gonna roll with you till the day I die. Hey, swing those hips around. Can't stop, roll back down. My ladies, short, tall, thin or wide.
So, difference. How do you like it? How do you like the speakers? How do you like the crossover? Elko, elko capacitors. So if you can identify the type of this speaker box, because I think that it can be some any other type from maybe from tonsil, maybe write me in comments and write me also how do like it. So dear friends, and any other question, what do you think about the dual bass construction? Yes, this speaker box has final impedance 4 ohms. So here are two 8 ohms bass speakers in parallel connection. What do you think? Is it better sounding with 2 dual bass or with 1 only? And yes, if it will be the same dimension, 8-inch, I think that it's clear that it will be better dual bass. But you can watch my previous video with the Teslas or electronic Prague, but equipped with Tesla speakers, and I compare their 2 different types. One has 12-inch bass speaker Tesla, and the second one has a dual 2 8-inch bass speakers Tesla. So this is comparison 1 12-inch to the 2 8-inch. So, and the mid-range and the tweeters are the same. So maybe it will be for you interesting. If I don't forget, I put here also active link. So dear friends, thank you for watching. Thank you for subscribing our YouTube channel, and if you would like to support our channel and if you like our videos, you can also join our channel. So have a nice day.